What if I told you that over 777,000 people have already taken the first step toward a high-paying cloud career and you can join them for free? If you're ready to break into one of the fastest-growing fields in tech or want to sharpen your cloud skills with Google's official cloud training, then this course is your opportunity. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In today's video, we're exploring the Google Cloud Fundamentals Core Infrastructure course, designed to help you build in-demand cloud skills quickly and efficiently so you can start applying them to real-world scenarios, stand out to employers, and confidently take on cloud-based projects, whether you're looking to advance in your current role or pivot into a brand new career in tech. Stick around to the end of this video because we'll show you exactly how to enroll for free using our exclusive link in the description. Cloud computing is powering today's most exciting innovations across finance, healthcare, gaming, e-commerce, and beyond. And Google Cloud is at the center of that innovation. Companies everywhere are hiring cloud professionals who understand how to work with Google Cloud infrastructure, and that's exactly what this course helps you do. Let's talk about career potential. Cloud professionals can earn well over six figures, and demand for roles like cloud engineer, cloud architect, and GCP specialist continues to grow. Whether you're starting out or leveling up, this course gives you a solid foundation in Google Cloud's core services. You'll learn how the Google Cloud Console works and gain hands-on experience with tools like Compute Engine, App Engine, Cloud Storage, and more. And don't worry, this course is built for beginners too. No prior cloud experience? No problem. It's a guided learning journey that teaches you how cloud computing works and how Google's infrastructure supports real-world applications. By the end, you'll earn a career certificate from Google, a credential you can proudly showcase on your resume, portfolio, or LinkedIn profile. It's a clear signal to employers that you've got verified, job-ready skills in cloud computing. So, why have over 777,000 learners already enrolled? Because it works. It's flexible, accessible, and completely free to join. Ready to enroll and start learning from Google's cloud training experts? We've included a special link in the description just for you. Click it now to access the Google Cloud Fundamentals Core Infrastructure course and begin your cloud journey free of charge. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more free courses, career-building tools, and expert guidance. Visit businesstrainingmedia.com, your partner for career growth and professional success. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the very best as you take your next step in the cloud.